Among the whispering trees, a chance discovery sets the wheels of fate in motion. The enchanted treehouse beckons, promising secrets and adventures beyond imagination. Three souls converge, each bearing aspirations as unique as the colors of the dawn. With a whispered murmur, the treehouse grants their desires, weaving threads of magic into the tapestry of their fates. Bound by magic, they traverse a world brimming with challenges and mysteries, each step a testament to their growing bond. In the shadows of the unknown, a treasure beckons, entwined with trials that seek to unravel their unity. A crucible of friendship and trust, the barrier yields to their combined might, revealing a truth that binds them in ways beyond the tangible. From the chest of wonders emerges a relic of boundless magic, a symbol of their triumph and the key to a new beginning. A new day dawns, suffusing the village with a shimmering magic that whispers of shared dreams and the echoes of a grand adventure that binds them all in unity.